So what do we do when we are about to purchase a new commodity or we are trying to find out the best person concerned for the services required? One of the most common approach is to look for customer reviews online. But what if those reviews are misleading, fake or sold out? Who do we rely on for product feedback in that case? So hello everybody, I am Kirti and I along with my co-author Kapil have found out the breakthrough of this problem. The solution that we propose to you all is known as Trust Magic, and it takes the entire responsibility for filtering out the unauthenticated reviews before they get posted onto the domain. So you might be wondering how our solution is different from the other conventional methods that are already there. So we aim at building a closed network wherein a customer no longer has to rely on any third-party dependencies like a web application, web extension to check the legitimacy of reviews. What we do is we check the legitimacy of the reviews and only the authentic ones get posted onto the domain and hence are visible to the end user. This way we ensure customers' trust, reliability and also make sure that the customer invests in the best deals possible. So moving on to the technological background of our approach, we are using blockchain as the key technology here, and let me explain you a little bit about how things will happen in a decoded format. So assume that a person purchased something from a store and posted a review about that. So we have a method to uniquely identify the person and the commodity he purchased. There will be a mapping of both of these two things, and if that mapping is present, then that means the person actually invested into that commodity and then posted the review. But if that mapping is not present, then we can assume that the person actually reviewed that commodity without having purchased it actually. So in that case, we can assume that the review that the customer posted is probably fake or sold out. And blockchain terminates pushing such reviews into the entire chain, and thus those reviews never get posted onto the domain actually. So I'm sure so far you might have been intrigued enough to know how all this will look like in reality. So why not give us a chance to reach out to a bigger audience and finally get it implemented? To cut the long story short, both me and Kapil will be highly obliged if we get selected, and we will put our best foot forward to ensure that we make up to the trust that went behind our selection. After all, Trust Magic is what it is all about. Thank you and hope to see you soon.